ඒක බේනු උපා තිබේ වුණා ඒගෙන් මාදි බාරවරි කන් දෙබු ඒ විසල්ුන්නේ දෙකෙන් බේනුවා වරපොප්පෝ වෙන ඉතදී පුරිය දුවානුන්න අලෝන් යගී කන් දෙන් බේනුවනි राज्य के इज्जत रईस जमहूरिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मोइस कुंडली हासको आईटी दायरा टेक इंडस्ट्री कोरिया केंद्रीय अलगुण में मिहीपुरा वरपुर भारत वेलीगा मसके कुरबक्ष एक हेक्क की मोल्डिस 2.0 की एमनिक पांगे दूर विष्णुमा एक्को अलगुण में बदलूं मिदा मरहला ए मरहला के हुरिहावस एडवांटेज मेगेने अवुन कबूकुरा गोतुगा मिवगोतुगे ए इल्मुगतिबि दिजुवानुना वरगिना मसक्केट्ट राज्य मोल्डिस 2.0 बदलुಗೆನ್ ದಾಯರು ಬದಲುವಾಣೆ ಕುರಿಹಾಕಮೆ ಗೊಂಡಾಣೆ ಡಿಜಿಟಲಿ ಉರವೆ ಗೊತ್ತ ಪುರಿಹಂವಾ ಗೊತ್ತ ಏಂಕಮ ಅಳುನ್ ಕಬೂಕುರಾ ಗೊತುಗ ಮಿಕಮುಗೆ ಪಾದ ಅಳುನ್ ಮೆನ್ನ ವರಪಡಕುರಾ ಮಿಯಹಾರು ಕಂಡಿಲ್ಪೈ ಹತರು ಟೀಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿಚ್ಕುರಾ हतर दायरा वेस ए राज्य मिवगुतुस वर बेणंतरे हतर दायरा एके स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिटनेस गिन द्वान की कुलिवर फिटनेस के रिक्रिएशन ना फिटनेस के दायरा का हरकत करवा बेपो एम विमा एके मंपा कुरान मियदु हलवनु गेयद्दियेरो अलवन हिने बेबला उन्नवाने है मितानो कमे गोतस एनो से पहुं करने तिबेबलो हमें ई फिटनेस दायरा है कमे बेबलो राज्य का वारा पोन्ना बोस कोच का गुरु मी तिबेबलो ति तैयार करा पिचा मोदो मात होद मट्टका ते बेबलो अलवन दिमाग के ने दहाज मी को कमे ही ये भी कतो गत अलवन मी ए मोदो मात स्थिति एमेमा फिटनेस सा उलर्ग दायरागा मुहिम मसक्केत्तके अलगुण मेन्ना कुरविदान दिम्यति मेंटल हेल्थ वेलबींग मि तनुगावस अलगुण मि हाजरति होदगे वेस अमा हैप्पीनेस लाउंज नमगा अलगुण में लाउंज कुरिया बेगेंद अलगुण हेवनी एपिचा मसक्के कुरवा कुदिन्ना रंगलो प्रोडक्ट कुरविजिया हम मितनुग स्पेड नुकुरंगे नुकुरामी सावबे बेस नेट तेमेती इकोनॉमी या बदुस राज्य एम इसकंदेने एम मुहिम दायरा एगी अलगुण मेन्ना वरकिना प्रोडक्ट ता हेदे पाहो पिचका अलगुण पाहा कोरवनी आर्ट्स ए मिनिस्ट्री गाने कावस नमुगे मेंडेट गवसी मेने कामे एगो तो बालाप करने में पिछता तैयार करे तो मिहिरी ए जुआन के गिना बावरो हिमने कंकम माय एमबीमा अलगुण एदनी तिबेफलो में मसक्कतुगा फोरीगा कुरिय दियु तिबेफलो रंगलो प्रोडक्ट तके तैयार कोल्लो अदि मी तिबेफलो ती तैयार कोरा प्रोडक्ट कोपस हिसाब को राज्य के मार्केट का पेनिगेंदे तिबेफलोना अलगुण में अबदुस मरहबा कियाना मी यूथ हबकी हासको जुआन अलगुण में हुई ताने मी तनुगा वरकिन हरकत कुरियन में दोस्तों कुरियदा आदि तिबेफलो तिदायरागा हिमेने कंकमुगा तिबेफलो हिंगम बेनुवा वर्कशॉप तक आदिस हिंगम बेनुवा हेनी कंक मितना कुलिगे कुरिय केंदवेने अलगुण एदनी ಈ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಮೆನ್ನ ಕಾಮಯಾಬ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಗ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಹ್ ದೇವು ಅಲ್ಹಮ್ದುಲಿಲ್ಲಾಹ್ ವರಪಡಶ್ಕುರಿಯ.
Thank you, Minister. Teens, as you step into this 48 hours, don't aim for perfection. Aim to learn, aim to experiment, because every bug, break, and confusion is simply part of the process. Laugh at your bugs, fix them, move on, and more than anything, enjoy your journey here. Who knows, the next big Maldivian product or startup idea might be born here in Youth Hub. And speaking of creation and ideas, up next on our agenda are the teens' problem statement pitches where our talented participants will present the challenges they have chosen to tackle during this hackathon. Teams, you will come on the stage for a quick 1-minute problem pitch, just a simple intro into what you are working on. I'd like to invite our first team, Fine, to the stage.
Hello everyone, we are Team Fine. I am the developer of the team, Yazak. On this side we have Shadan, also the second developer of the team. On this side we have Yamin, our research lead. I'm going to just jump straight into the problem. Across the Maldives, the youths are creating businesses, launching cafes, and different types of businesses youths are basically starting up. But the problem is nobody can find them. Everything gets lost in the sea of Instagram posts, advertisements, and word of mouth, which usually last around maybe 24 hours. And on the other side, we have the customers. Customers, they're usually gamed in to find a good business, hoping a place is actually good, open, or maybe even clean if it's a physical outlet. This step means the youth businesses, they're invisible, and the customers are blindly making their choices. That's a big deal, because a powerful youth economy starts with visibility, trust, and an equal chance to fight. Right now, that foundation does not exist, and we are here to close the gap. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So we are Team OneSpace, and these are my teammates Mushira, Fatih, and Raid. My name is Raida. So the problem we'll be tackling for the next 48 hours is we feel that in Maldives, especially now, our community is more aware and active and engaged, right? So I feel like we always have an event going on around us, but all of these are scattered through different platforms, right? Social media platforms, which can make it difficult for people to see on time when especially these have deadlines or limited slots. And these opportunities can be actually really helpful for them. So that's the problem we are trying to solve here, and we have to come back and share our solution as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Team OneSpace. Up next, Team Takis.
Hello, our team name is Takis, and these are my teammates Raisham, Shata, Masha, and Saja. My name is Yasha. The problem we're going to be tackling today is the deteriorating physical health of Maldivian youth due to unhealthy lifestyle habits. We see it's like a bit hard to get access to healthy lifestyle choices for the youth. So this matters because physical fitness is linked to higher productivity, mental health, and life expectancy. And we hope to find a solution to that. Thank you.
Thank you, team. The next team, Team Kinetics.
Hi everyone, we are Kinetics. My name is Aroma, this is Ryan, and here we have Harvin, and we have one more member, Nangpa. Okay. We are here because we believe every young person deserves to play, move, live, and enjoy a healthy life. But right now, that's not the reality. So many youth want to get fitter, stronger, and healthier. But staying consistent, staying motivated, that's where the struggle begins. Inactivity is rising, burnout is increasing, and young people need a way to move that actually excites them. And that is exactly where Kinetics comes in. When we're just thinking about workouts, we're thinking about experience, we're thinking about story. We're thinking about a way for every person, any body type, any ability, any starting point, to finally feel like they belong in fitness. Because everyone deserves a fitness journey that feels fun, rewarding, and made just for them. We are Kinetics, and we're building something we can't wait to reveal. Thank you.
Thank you. Next team, Team Ended Squad.
Hello everyone. My name is Nabil, and this is our team, Nazi, Sharik, Yanish, and myself. We are a group of friends who met through an online shared interest, which was video gaming. We believe that recently it has been a lot more difficult for youth, especially people in their 20s and 30s, to form meaningful connections with people which are outside of their work and friends group which they make from school. This problem we have especially noticed in Male, Pulmale and islands also in islands in Maldives. So we want to solve this. We believe that this is affecting youth negatively as people in their 20s are not able to make connections, meaningful connections which improve their hobbies, interests. So we want to solve this problem.
Thank you. Next team, Team Adda.
Raj, this is Jinad, and this is Ayla and Unais. So the problem we realized is it's currently really fragmented to find where jobs are. You probably heard of a friend asking where to find a job. There's so many places, Gazette, it's covered in PDFs, it's with Facebook jobs, or even either. There's so many different sources and no one really knows where to go for this source either. And this matters because when we spend time struggling to connect youth to the right roles they fit, we slow down not only businesses, but we're losing potential of the youth as well. So we're hoping to solve this problem during the weekend. Nice to meet everyone.
The next team, Team Harry.
Hi guys. On my right it's Jude, and I'm Umam. We both are developers, and here this is Muru, is the tester of our application. So the issue that we found out was, for example, for a lot of college students, when the time is, especially for like the tournaments, it's really difficult for them to find the stadiums and stuff and like booking and everything, right? So you either have to go to Hurmale, wait there from dawn, like in a queue, because it's like first come first serve, or like there are some private grounds which you have to like call them, and if they are not available, it's very difficult to get in touch with them. So it's really difficult process to book these grounds and stuff. And one more thing regarding in sports is like, for example, let's say you grew up in a local island and you move to Male. Now you won't have that much friends here and you will be new. You might want to go maybe to play football, maybe volleyball, and you maybe like you will want to go for snorkeling or something like that. But you won't know like who would be going with you, or like you won't have any friends like that. So our platform, it will be helping those people to find someone with interest, like who share same interest. So you guys can like get together and like plan everything out and do those things. So it's two things, which is finding the people with the same interest for the same sports, and the other one is this booking the stadiums and everything. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Next team, 6-7.
We are both computer science students, and our missing member Nabit. The problem we identified is the growing trend of the decreasing use of Divehi and especially Thana in our digital space, especially among the youth. We noticed that Thana is day by day becoming more of something that you use on paper rather than something you see digitally or use even. So, our solution, the solution that we aim to create, is something that encourages the use of Divehi in a fun and interesting way. Thank you.
Thank you, team. Next team, Wave Minds.
Assalamu alaikum. Our name is Abdullah Yamin, and next to me is Adham and Maud and Mansoor, my brother. So the problem statement that we have taken is all youths, creators and innovators, and small startups struggle to access funding, visibility, and investor networks because there is no dedicated local platform. So the visibility and everything, we aim to create something which would solve this problem to all the creators and innovators of Maldives.
Thank you, team. The next team, Era 6-7.
Hi everyone, I'm from Team 6-7 and my teammates are Shai, Alia and Mafaz, and there'll be one more member that's joining us, Yash. We are tackling the biggest risk for young entrepreneurs. The problem is quite simple. Young Maldivians cannot afford to fail. Right now, if a young person has a new business idea, maybe a fashion line or a cool tech product, they have to use all their savings and a lot of their time to make the first batch of these products. They have to gamble away their life savings or whatever savings they have just to see if anyone will buy it. If the product fails, they lose everything because the risk is so huge. Most talented people don't even start. They keep their great ideas a secret and stay in their regular jobs. We picked this because most talented people are not using their talents to build their businesses, and these businesses are something that our country really needs. So we're going to be working on that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, team. The next team, Global Automation Youth Squad.
Hello everyone, my name is Hood. With me I have Ayman, Saif and Asham, and we are the Global Automation Youth Squad. So lately we've been seeing a large influx in small businesses, and most of these need to survive by word of mouth. If they really wanted to be sustainable, they need to rely on social media and their influencers, which is a whole another set of skills they need to master. And they don't really have the tools for this. This is a really important problem that we need to solve, because most of these businesses stake their whole livelihood on this. Basically, their businesses. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, team. The next team, Team C-Stack.
Hello, we are Team C-Stack, and here with me is Abraham, Suma, and Badio. So the problem we are trying to solve is about healthier lifestyle, something that we have been neglecting quite a lot. I think a lot of people are stuck in desk jobs, and it's kind of difficult to just get active. And I won't kind of go into the details what we're going to work on. So what our product is going to be called is Koba by C-Stack. Thank you.
Thank you, team. The next team, Team Palantir.
Good evening. My name is Elgis. This is Nauf, and this is Ahil, and we are Team Palantir. So we three work in spaces where there's a lot of youth, and we notice that youth tend to overcomplicate what fitness and healthy lifestyles are. So we are trying to make a solution that simplifies it so that we can have an actually healthy youth. Thank you.
Thank you. The next team is Team Masudi Hackers.
So we are Masuni hackers. So we are from different backgrounds. I am an analyst. Lean is future dev. Iman, who is not here, who is a dev. Amu AI, and Shahaya, our design and marketing. So we have noticed young Maldivians facing hurdles turning their skills into sustainable ventures and serious gaps in education versus the job market. And also we believe by helping youth hone their skills, by providing resources to guide them, we can better their future and our economy. Thank you.
The next team, Team Leap One.
Hello everyone. We are leaping in to solve a simple yet huge problem where there are two sides. So there are tourists or locals who seeks to find activities to do in the Maldives, and then there are locals who provide them. So there's a huge disconnect between these two, and there's currently no centralized platform, or there's no centralized way to bridge this gap. So this disconnect wastes opportunities, limits income, and tourists or visitors have no way to experience, or they find it hard to experience the real Maldives. So we believe we have the solution. We are Leap One, and my name is Aban, and this is Shima, and this is Ahzam, Samu, and we have Jalwan, who is currently not with us, but he will be joining later. Thank you.
Thank you, Team Leap One. The next team is Rookie Arc.
Hello everyone, we are Rookie Arc. This is Saru, this is Shabdan, myself Ayan, and this is Nabhan. So here's the reality of the mental health in the Maldives. So mental health professionals, there's barely any, and in the outer islands, there's almost none. So, but here's the bigger problem. Even if there were many professionals like everywhere, Maldivians still wouldn't go, because in our culture, admitting that you're struggling means that you're weak. And also in small island community, there's no privacy. So basically young people stay silent and they think that the only ones burning out or feeling anxious. I myself am feeling anxious right now as well, but yeah. So we're a generation suffering in silence because we have nowhere safe to turn. So this is what we'll be tackling this weekend. Thank you.
Thank you. The next team Netrunners.
Assalamualaikum, me team Netrunners. I'm going to call Hisham, Nice, Zayan. Then I'm going to bring me Radashuka Dirule and Dive Zuanu, Naki Maragina. Me things from Sakap Doni, then as me Dive Sagafe, and got a Maragina Kankan and the Vasilata Dibifati by Namas. Me argument me anna faturu verin like ego mauduma ege experience unique experience me hunna nudi bifato then ehun me ane me ina faharu faturu verin nam me deve excursion me dibe information naki nangalu information nalwe for me hunna then ehembe me solution me. Thank you.
Thank you, team. The next team Crow.
Assalamualaikum. Alugandaki Muash, Alugandako Miri, Aluganda Rahmateri, Yas Adi guys. Aluganda mi tackle kondani aslo. Para ginahama Gimawa, Kudakudakaven, Ekam, Bodus Wakame by Faro. Rajega events Kagachi, online Dostaka Adi, Bandudosta, Faseha Mango. By far calendar, Vikunda calendar Hure, who had dates and committed changes by far Bandudosta, Nidosibawe. Then I had long weekends, had a Dosta Gama. Kurani Kito, Ego Sorbar option second Hure, problem, me take out the Nikodafa, again, I had a solution to get a woman group Kafarat on the Kalan. Shukriya.
Thank you. Our final team Squad Up.
Hello everyone. So we are team Squad Up. Myself Aslam and Safwan and Monem. And there's one more player, Sama. So our problem is, what we identified is that local sports and e-sports players have no safe and reliable ways to connect with each other, like finding teammates, opponents, and casual playing groups. Right now, people rely on Viber, Telegram, or Discord channels to find people. So imagine we are going on a 3v3 pitch. We might get 6 people from a Viber group or Telegram group that has 15 players. But on the day of playing like a football match or volleyball match, one person might pull out and we will have no full team. So it's hard to find a replacement. So what we are proposing is a proper matchmaking platform that limits community engagement and makes organizing games successful. And it reduces player opportunities for players to improve skills or participating consistently. So solving this issue creates a platform where we can connect with local players. Thank you.
A big thank you for all the teams to sharing their problem statements, and your ideas have set the stage for an exciting journey ahead. So as we begin this hackathon, dream big, build boldly, collaborate well, support your teammates, share your ideas, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries you think you can do. And most importantly, have fun and enjoy your experience here. This brings us to the end of the opening ceremony. Refreshments are now served outside for you all to enjoy. We can't wait to see what you all create. Thank you.